Learn English sentences with practice. If you watch this video, after watching this video, you will be able to speak English easily. So please watch full video and learn something new. You came so late today. I get tired of working. I get tired of working. It is evening. It is evening. There is no floor. There is no floor. Heat up the milk. Heat up the milk. Hurry up, school bus is here. Hurry up, school bus is here. Food is ready. Food is ready. I have served the food. I have served the food. Remove wet towel from bed. Remove wet towel from bed. Have you completed your homework? Have you completed your homework? Dry the clothes. Dry the clothes. For the clothes. For the clothes. It's too late to sleep now. It's too late to sleep now. I don't feel like working today. I don't feel like working today. Will you make coffee? Will you make coffee? I get tired of working all day long. I get tired of working all day long. Recharge my mobile. Recharge my mobile. Sweep the house. Sweep the house. Mop up the house. Mop up the house. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Wake up, it's 7 o'clock. Wake up, it's 7 o'clock. A wardrobe needs to be arranged. Wardrobe needs to be arranged. Where are my socks? Where are my socks? Is the food ready? Is the food ready? Rice is not yet cooked. Rice is not yet cooked. I can't find my socks. I can't find my socks. AC is out of order. AC is out of order. Did you get it? Did you get it? What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? Curtains have to be washed. Curtains have to be washed. Tune into news. Tune into news. Newspaper has come. Newspaper has come. It's out of my control. It's out of my control. What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? Don't be over smart. Don't be over smart. Turn off the gas. Turn off the gas. Please make carrot pudding today. Please make carrot pudding today. Kindly pass me the sword. Kindly pass me the sword. Curry is too salty. Curry is too salty. Don't overcook. Don't overcook. I daily clean my kitchen. I daily clean my kitchen. Please chop the onion. Please chop the onion. Peel the potatoes. Peel the potatoes. Crush the garlic. Crush the garlic. Flip the bread. Flip the bread. I need rolling pin. I need rolling pin. I don't have time. I don't have time. He is running. He is running. She speaks well. She speaks well. We can go there. We can go there. Am I audible to you? Am I audible to you? Say it again. Say it again. Where to go? Where to go? Find the solution of this problem. Find the solution of this problem. I think there is bad connection. I think there is bad connection. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? We will stay here for 2 days. We will stay here for 2 days. I have sore throat. I have sore throat. All right, it's time to leave us now. All right, it's time to leave us now.